I want to do the triangle pose.
Triangle pose. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra and I am joined by my lovely daughter, Serene. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. Today we are doing some family-friendly yoga movements so you can spend some quality time together. So grab your kiddos and grab your mat and let's have some fun. Move, darling.
Tree pose.
Tree pose, all right. So let's stand with our feet firmly on our mat. Let's raise your right leg up. Place it inside of your leg. Make sure it's below your kneecap. We'll bring our hands together in prayer. Doing a good balancing pose here. You may wobble from side to side, that's fine. Squeezing in your stomach muscles really helps. And let's try to move into a little bit more advanced pose. Let's stretch our arms up, nice and still and tall as a tree. And then if you're ready, let's have our arms all the way up, pointing. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, release. Woo!
So pose.
Pencil pose. Feet together, arms up. And let's go up on our tippy toes. Squeeze your legs, squeeze your thighs, squeeze your stomach. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Ooh, shake it out, shake it out.
Why don't we say 0?
Huh?
Why don't we say 0 at the end?
Oh, well, because you can pretend like it's 0, so when you release the pose, it's almost like 0, so you don't have to say 0. So what's the next one?
Squat pose.
Squat pose. So stand with your feet shoulder width apart, arms straight out, and let's slowly come down like an elevator. Go to your comfort level. Bring your hands to prayer. Oh, this is a good stretch. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's come up slowly. Good job. Woohoo. All right, let's spread our feet a little bit farther out. And what's the next one, hon?
Wide leg pose.
Good. Have arms on your hips. Slightly bend your knees. And let's slowly come down. All the way down. Let your arms fall, hands to the mat. And look behind you. And what do you see, Serene? What do you see when you look behind you?
I see your feet, your hands, your pajamas, and your hair.
I see the couch, the blanket. I see a little bit of
and your mat.
tree.
And your mat, and the bear, and the bear, and the couch,
bear in the back,
and the blanket, and the tree.
Wow.
And the cards.
Wow. Go from side to side. Good job, Mama. Even though this is family friendly with the kids, we always want to encourage good breathing in and out through your nose. Good job. Very nice. All right, place your hands on your knees. We're going to gently come up. Very nice. And what's the next one, your favorite? Is it triangle?
Triangle pose.
Triangle pose. All right. So keep your legs out. Come a little to your left, sweet. There you go. And let's point our foot, our right foot out, arms out to the sides. Let's gently hinge forward and come down. Ooh, I think my leg popped there. Good job.
The same time.
I know.
The same.
We do. All right, let's hold for 5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Good. Gently come up. Hands still out. Turn that right foot in, left foot out. Hinge forward a little bit. And let's come down. Hands on your leg. Good job. It's okay if you wobble. Don't have to be perfect. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come up. Woo! Shake it out a little bit. Are you feeling warm? Are you feeling warm?
Yeah.
Well, that means we're getting a good exercise in. So what are we doing next? Is a lizard pose.
I remember that.
All right, so
I remember.
you remember that one? Okay, turn to your left. I'm going to turn to my right. All right, good job. And we're gonna inhale our arms up. Exhale down, bend your knees. Step your left foot back. Good, keep that straight. And we'll keep our arms here on the mat for a lizard pose. Now you may drop your knee to the mat if you want. If you want a deeper stretch, you can lower down to your elbows.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, Serene's gonna lower to her elbows. I'm gonna stay up. Ooh, let's stretch for 5,
4,
3, 2,
2,
1. Good job. Straighten that leg. Straighten that leg. Good. And let's come back up. All right, good job. Bend your knees, right leg back. Good job. And bring your hands inside of your foot. We'll hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lower your knees, come down on your mat here. Come down on your mat. Good job. And back to child's pose. Here. Back on your mat. I can see you too, princess.
I found it.
Oh, okay, let's continue to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Good job. Let's hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Slowly come up. Let's lay down on our mat. Come all the way down. Hold at your knees. And let's slowly come down. Good. Stretch out your legs. Hands out your sides. Relaxation pose. We're going to do a little fun practice, fun breathing practice called belly breathing. So when we inhale, we're going to make our belly really, really big. And we'll exhale side out. You ready, honey? All right. Good. Inhale. Big belly. Release. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Close your eyes. Feel relaxed in your body. Pretend like your body is on a soft pillow, big pillow, a soft cloud. As you have your eyes closed, you can imagine seeing a rainbow, all the colors of the rainbow. Very good job. Inhale. Exhale. Good job. How you feeling, Mama? You feel good? Great job. Okay, let's bend our knees. Bend your knees. Good. And let's come to the side of our mat. And let's gently push ourselves up. All right. Let's cross our legs. Inhale, arms up. Bring hands together and come down to a prayer. Hands to heart center. Let's take a bow. Good job, Mama. Give me a high five. Woohoo! You have fun?
Yes.
I did too. You're so wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out some resources that I have in the description below, where you can sign up for my freebie and also my monthly newsletter. Again, will be coming out in January. I hope everyone is enjoying their friends and family this holiday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. We will see you in the new year. Have a blessed one. Bye.